Smartphones and tablets are a way of life for most of us, and there are apps aplenty to help make your life easier, especially during tax time. These apps are getting better every year. Every major tax prep service has apps that allow you to file on your phone, and there are also apps to help you get organized and keep track of those deductible expenses. Example, sort out receipts and expenses with apps like Shoeboxed or Expense IQ. Each has a way to scan receipts, archive, and classify them for later use. Track mileage with an app such as Mile IQ or MileBug, which automatically record every car trip you take so you can claim deductible mileage. And keep track of your donations with It's Deductible or I Donated It. It lets you take pictures of what you donated, records where and when you donated it, and even calculates the value. Of course, unless you've already been using these organizational apps, they're not going to help with the taxes you're doing now. Here, however, are a couple that might. As I mentioned, nearly every major tax prep company has filing apps, so you can file simple returns from your phone. You can ask for an extension by filing a Form 4868 from the IRS Free File site. And the IRS has a free app to answer questions and keep tabs on your return. It's called IRS To Go. Bottom line, apps like these can really make your life a lot easier around tax time. Not all of them are free, but do check them out and see if they can make your life a little less taxing. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacy Johnson.